Good morning, everyone. I found a beautiful spot this morning after getting water from the rock. This is such a spiritual place, guys. I cannot tell you how important it is for ourselves to get this time in nature. To not only reconnect, but to disconnect. Think about it. We live our lives on the go all the time. We don't stop to think about our bodies wearing out or our mind becoming clogged with clutter from the day, from worries from work, bills, kids, school, debt. How about running your own business, the economy? We have to take a break. We have to sit quietly and learn to breathe. We must take care of ourselves. It is like our cars. I like to think I'm connected with my cars. It seems every time that they wind up breaking down, I'm also sick. It's really weird. It's just a reminder that if we have to fix our cars, we take our pets to the vet when they're sick, we take our kids to the doctors. Why wouldn't we take care of ourselves? Just a little information for you to think about today. A little one-on-one reality check. When I decided to actually jump in my car and come out here, it was one of the best decisions I did for myself. Reconnecting, meeting good people, being able to be creative again, and just enjoy what we have left of this beautiful planet. You know, I was just telling the trees and the water that if people came here, a lot of people, the place would be destroyed, or someone would want to build on it. So in a way, I'm glad that people don't know about this place, but then at the same time, I'm glad that I do know about this place. I would never want to destroy it. And I also thanked all the people who have fought to protect this. Just like Yellowstone. It took them 60 years just to prove the place existed. And then they spent the rest of their time protecting everything there. Just like here. Just a little wisdom for you. I thank you for listening. I'm having a good time. It's another day. I might have a place to stay and work, or exchange, work and a home. So, and I'd be able to enjoy this. I'm going to think about it. Stay tuned.